Today guys, we're gonna unbox a Zuru Smashers Epic Dino Egg over 25 surprises. It's series 3. Let's go find it guys in the desert or in the forest. Let's go. Grandma. Guys, a Dino Egg. Whoa, let's dig it. Heavy. Smash it. Yeah, let's smash it. Okay. So guys, here it has a dot over here and has a zipper. That's where you'll open it. Okay. Smash it in the bowl. It's a ball. Come on. Let's open it. What? No ton of ice, right? Yeah. There's some more over here, man. Look. Oh, and your neck. In my hand. It's not for me. So, let's open it over here. Too. Yeah. Guys, this is how the Smasher looks like. Whoa, ready?
Are you ready to smash it?
Yeah. Ready to smash it.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, smash it! Again.
Yeah. This is so hard to open. Come on. It's so big. Whoa.
Again.
Yeah. This is so hard to open. Come on. It's so big. Whoa. Guys, look. It's so heavy. There's a lot of things inside. Oh, the scratching one. Wow. Scratch map. Scratch and follow the clues to find everything you need to build your mystery Smash-o-saur. Start. Okay, let's smash it. The first one is don't keep your head in the sand. So guys, here we have the digging tools. Yeah, and also the small eggs. Oh, we can also smash the small eggs, guys. Yeah, smash it. There's some more. There's a lot. Yeah, how many? There's 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 small eggs. Oh, what's that? Glowing slime. What's that? Ice putty. Whoa, what did this say? Fizzy lava. Fossil rock. Dino dirt. And the instructions. Let's see. Oh, it's for punching map. Ooh, dino dirt is the first clue. Don't keep your head in the sand. You have to the dino dirt. Yeah, dirt. Stinky. Yeah, let's open the dino dirt. What is it doing? Did you get it? Dino dirt. Open dino. Maybe it's a dino because it's so strong. There's some more. You can smell something? It's not. It's stinky. Something smells in the side. Something is smelling. Smell. Give it as an adult to help. So guys, this is the dino dirt. There's yellow sand. So to not make dirty the home, you need a plate. And I have right over here, plate. Yeah. So let's put some.
Wow. What's inside?
Find it.
Wow.
Whoa, what's this? The head. Whoa. Whoa. What? Another one. This is the Triceratops head. Look at this. Oh, sand. I like sand. Yeah. Sand is very yellow. But sand is not too much yellow. Yeah, it's brown. Yeah. Digging too. Digging too. No. Here, let me use that. To remove the sand, the Triceratops body. There's one thing. Says the second clue is fizz it up. Okay, let's see what do we need to fizz. Whoop, 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 whoop. I'm still playing with the sand. She likes the sand. Feels so good. Let's see how? Yeah. Whoa, the sand can play, but don't make anything dirty. The next clue is fizz it up. Fizzy lava. Oh, it's over here. Fizzy lava, and to fizz it up, you'll be needing water. First, we will open it. Yeah, open it first. But your hand will not come dirty. Look! Oh, fill it up lava! You need to whoa, what's this? Whoa, we need a dig. Whoa, it's like a volcano. Put it over here. Oh. Don't go down, don't go down, don't go down, don't go down, don't go down. Oh, look at that.
They want orange.
I want to touch. My hands is getting dirty too. Yeah. Look at this, nothing. Look at this, guys, another leg. Some sand. Here's the feet. Yeah. We can fix them. Yeah. Let's see the next clue. Okay. The next clue is this clue's got ooze. Ah! Hey, remove. Yeah. Glowing slime! So guys, this is the glowing slime. Glowing slime. Let's test it in the dark after. Let's see what's inside. So slimy! Okay. Glowing slime! I don't want to my hands. Because it's that's so sticky. And that's what it's all around. No! You want to touch it, Mario? No. Okay, here's the body. Then you will wash your hands. Yeah, because my hands are so sticky. Yeah. Yuck. It's naglaman slime. I don't want to put my head glow. You want the hands to glow? No. I mean the slime to glow. Yeah. Why you say yuck? We're gonna wash it. Yuck. Clean, guys. Yeah. Here, look at the tail. Where is it? Yuck. Look at the fourth clue. So guys, now in the fourth clue. Can you dig it? Oh, it's this one. Yeah, fossil rock. Guys, fossil rock. Let's dig. Oh, forgot this. Dig one. This one is for dig. Okay. It's for dig. Dig. Fossil rock. Oh, okay. Let me open it for you. I can open it. I will dig.
You dig.
I will dig. I can dig. You will dig. Dig. Look like rubble. Rubble dig. Dig over here. Oh, dig it. Dig. Come on. Dig.
Okay, strong, baby.
Oh, help me. I will dig it. I will get it off. Why are you using there? You need to dig over here. Because I cannot see. Wait, do this. The last and final clue. Ice to see you. Ice age party. Okay, let's open it. Let's not open it alone. Yeah, let's open it, guys. Oh. Whoa, look at the Dino Egg. Look at the Dino Egg. It's a Smash putty. Look at that. Freeze. You're gonna freeze if you hold it. You have this egg now? Okay, Mom. Got this egg open. It's gonna be open. What's that? Slime? Not sticky. It's ice. Look at ice. Is that ice? It's ice here. You took the snowflake. That's the snowflakes. Yeah, that's snowflakes. Whoa. Don't take it. I'll take the slime because you cannot. Okay. Oh, the slime. So guys, when you're done taking out this over here, you're done taking out the parts of the dino, you need to wash it because there's some on it. Guys, we're gonna assemble the body parts. So guys, to make it easy for you, you need to fix them one by one according to the letters A to M. So I have here A and B's already here. C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Yeah, let's fix E to C. This one is the L. Where should we put this? Where should we put this? See, where should we put this? So guys, this is what I assembled. It is a triceratops. Look, you can put the tail up and down, and you can put this. Yeah. And you smash it too. Smash it together. Smash it, man. You go first. Whoa! What did you get? Whoa! What's that? Yeah. So everyone has to go. I got this. It's a dinosaur. Yeah. It's the one that's flying. I'm flying to get the people. Okay, my turn. Okay, I'll put mine here. Oh, what? I want to get. Look at that. Let's get. Oh, see, this is for. Oh, so scary face. It's getting my turn. Okay, your turn to smash it. What you get? I want to get it's green and it has this. I want to get this. Let's see what we get when we're done. See how can we put this? We need to first open the wrapper, guys. Stand back. We got
Smash it.
oh! Here you go. It's a dinosaur. Dinosaur like this. Guys, if you want to smash some more, you can fix it. Again. What's it? Oh, it's in yours. Look at that. Wings. Yeah. This is for mine, guys. And this is mine. Oh, I want to get where's mine? Mine's green and mine is turquoise. Where's the last one for us? Let's see, mine. Come on, another one for me. Let's see what we got. Okay, which one is yours? That one, and that one. These are mine. Okay, let's see what you got. Oh, so guys, this is what mine got and I got. Here's the first one. Where's mine? Where's mine? It's you. And the second one. Last one is. Okay, guys. That's it. What do you think? Okay. So mine, this is the first one. Look at people. I got it. It's move, fly. The second one is this. My third one is the same like mine but different color. It's green. So guys, we are already done unboxing and smashing a lot of eggs. Thank you guys for playing with us. Stay good.